Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2013 Honda Accord key battery. Pry the fob seam with a small flat tool and open carefully like a clamshell. Remove the old CR 2032 and note its orientation before discarding. Wipe contacts gently with a clean cloth, then insert the new CR 2032 with the positive side up. Snap the fob closed and test the buttons to confirm the remote and immobilizer work properly. Start by locating the seam and inserting the flat tool carefully, then twist just enough to separate the halves. Take note of the small internal clips and any springs so nothing falls or gets lost. Handle the battery compartment with clean fingers to avoid oils on contacts. Once open, inspect the contact plate and battery orientation before removing the old CR 2032. Proceed slowly to ensure no internal parts are damaged. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful car videos. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life and makes hands-free controls for timers and music while you work on your car. It's compact and fits in a garage or workbench area perfectly. Check the video description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Remove the old CR 2032 and check its orientation so you place the new one the same way, typically positive side up. After installing the new battery, press each button while the fob is open to ensure contacts register and the LEDs or signal respond. If anything seems off, reseat the battery and clean the contact surfaces gently with a cloth. Finally, snap the fob closed and test the remote at a short distance from the car to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.